Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix fast charging not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again, tap on restart and enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery, and here showing you fast charging. If you want to fix this problem, so enable fast charging. After enable fast charging, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your charger. After check your charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix fast charging not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.